We have new versions out for Naviate Structure and Naviate Rebar for Revit 2025 and 2026. We've added support for multiple languages. So besides English, we also support now Brazilian Portuguese. We also made some bug fixes both in Naviate Rebar and Naviate Structure, and you can read them on our release news. We also added functionality for the Rebar numbering XML export for our Swedish customers. When you start Revit in Brazilian Portuguese, Naviate Structure and Rebar will be translated. Inside Naviate Structure, most of our tools are translated. Some of them are still grayed out and on English. These will be translated in the future. Inside of Naviate Rebar, all of the Rebar tools are translated to Brazilian Portuguese. And this is also true with our Naviate Help menu. You can also go to the What's New and Naviate Help and read the Brazilian version of that too. It's also good to know that under Configure Naviate, you have the option to also select the Brazilian configuration. Inside the Export to Excel in new Rebar numbering, we've done several improvements. If you select a Rebar, we will now have NV bent instruction 2. When you go to Naviate Structure and new Rebar numbering, in the export configuration, we have many new options for the XML export. So in the XML export, we have added object row 3, object row 4, prefix for page label, and also remarks. And in remarks, you can select a Rebar parameter. So this column is open for any Rebar parameter you want to add. And we hope this will support our Swedish customers' workflow when they are doing the exports to XML. As part of the translation, we've also modernized and done UI updates to most of our tools. So in Naviate Rebar, if I open Foundation, for example, the UI is slightly modernized and updated, but we still have all the same functionality that we had before.